This Soweto-based, SA Renault car parts expert offers best replacement option. One of the challenges that you may face when looking for safe auto parts is finding reliable options at an affordable price. Renault Auto Spares offers auto spares and salvage items, car parts, motor parts, replacement lights, clutches, and more. Their focus is on supplying used parts, with emphasis on quality parts, ensuring that you can get the reliability you need. Check out their full range of options today. Find out more at RenaultAutospares.co.za.